man. So they are they're quite slow to use. They are very easy to use. So it looks like
they are alive, aren't they? Yeah.
And then you set them off. You need to start the flow match going. Once you've got these off, that's where you that's where you can stop the flow. And we've opened fire. We have to be with the arrival of the Parliament who was planning at the time, so that they have opened fire on the Parliament Army, Parliament defending forces, in order to try to break the gas and make sure that was that it was for a bank hedgerow, which meant the council was able to operate so it's very much generally a fight about
That was loud. You see it? They got reloaded now.
You got your hats on properly, Rosie? Well, I'm holding on to you and so. Are you covering yours?
That means that they are using the drugs to give the indication that the are now being brought into position. There will be opportunities for you to be able to see them deploying in opposition. See the artillery firing continuing. We're needing to watch the point at which sides they're going to actually join with each other. So the commanders on this occasion will be
behind you, Rosie.
Thomas Fairfax on the side of Parliament, the very capable general, and he is going to go on as a consequence of the building of his reputation after events like this to run the Evil Army. And on the other side, Lord Byron, who has been trying to get into Nantwich for several days now. He's been prowling around the outside. He's not a particularly pleasant man. He wrote to the Superior, Mark Newcastle, to boast on the massacre that occurred there in the road. That he has been trying to get into town for some time, even to the point that the church in the town was interrupted on 17th by gunfire. People hurried outside to go and see what was going on.
Loud, isn't it? So.
I feel like I'm just like spazzing my back.
The muskets are going to fire in a second, Rosie. There, the guns over there. Yeah? Yeah?
So you just heard the Parliament guns.
Did you cover your ears?
Some of the artillery fire. So we're up against, there we go, the artillery from the Royal Army
Muskets
firing.
Pardon?